Alright, what's up guys? We're about to do a quick shirt. Real quick. I'm gonna do a quick shirt real quick. It's gonna be on a side seam, not quite a drop tail belly canvas. I'm gonna preheat it. We're gonna be doing some puff. We're gonna do it with puff. Preheat. We'll take our design. It's a pretty dope design. It's puff too, so try to find the ideal spot. We're gonna press it down. That should be it. Hot peel. And there we go. Puff vinyl, looks just like screen print. It's pretty dope, and that's one of the newest artworks that is coming to the store. Make sure you visit the Etsy page. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's pretty dope. So all I'm gonna really do here, I'm just gonna quickly press the back of it. Just a quick press on the back. That's it. And that looks slick, man. That looks sick. That's your boy Judah Lion with a chocolate bar candy saying keep the commandments, keep the commandments chocolate bar. It's pretty dope. Peace.